Hi, if you see this background, you know what that means. I'm back at home. Hey, I'm back at home. Hey, it's spring break. Ho, it's spring break. Ho. Yay. What was that? Anyway, I got some stuff in the mail and I'm about to unbox one of them. And this one I'm so excited for because I am a big fan of fan site Photobooks. Ever since I bought the Baekhyun Polar Lights Pitch Perfects. So I wanted one for an Infinite member, and usually they're not that big. Like all the Myungsoo ones that I've seen have usually been only like 30 pages. Now, I need something thick. So when I saw this one, I had to snatch because it's really big. And it's so beautiful. I've never heard of this Photobook in my life. I haven't seen an unboxing of it on YouTube, so I'm the first. I did it first. So it is Myungsoo's Photobook, La Vie en Rose. Yeah. And it's the website is called madeinl.com. And this is like a compilation of 2013 all the way to 2015. So, this is the most beautifulest thing I've ever saw in my life because Myungsoo's ultimate bias / husband / everything. Like, hey boo, you checking me? I know. So I love it. It is gorgeous. Let's just get on with it. Get on with it. Because this is, oh my God. I love this so much. I flipped through it last night. I screamed. And I'm still going to scream because it's so gorgeous. Gotta lower this a little bit. Oh my gosh. It's black. Like that really, oh. 2013 and remember beautiful moments in your life. Oh my God, look at this. Oh, look at these arms. I'm about to start crying. This is, oh. Okay, you really sweaty, so I don't like that, but it's all this. Oh my gosh, you're really sweaty. Whoa, like, look at that sweat. You need a towel. I've seen most of these photos online, because like Google and stuff, but just, it's so gorgeous. And he has this camera, and oh, look at the muscle. Look at the arms. Look at them arms. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Oh my God, Myungsoo. All these sweaty pictures. What was with you and sweating in 2013? But I love it. Tank top. Oh my God. Idol Olympics. And look at the stretch. This is dimples. Dimples. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Look at the dimples. Myungsoo is so beautiful. There's no words that I could use to properly describe how much I love this man. Like, oh my God. Why you look like your lip busted though? And then, ooh. Oh my God. I'm sorry. We need to kind of speed this up because this is a lot of stuff. He looks so beautiful. Oh, look at this picture. The bear. Oh my gosh. Oh, his infamous black cap. He wears that like almost everywhere. I'm not okay. I'm not okay. I'm not okay. Oh my God. Oh, legs is spread. But we get a booty shot. he doesn't really have a booty, but he has a little bit of a booty, so that's a good enough booty for me. Oh my gosh. Why did I say all that? Oh. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, what is your tongue? Get out of here. Put your tongue back. And then it says 2014. We move on. Oh my god. This is so cute. He's so cute. Oh my gosh, Myungsoo. I probably sound so disgusting making these noises, but I can't help it. He looks so good, so good. Eee. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Ah! Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Adorable. Oh my gosh. I love this picture. I've seen it a million places. It's so gorgeous. Oh, oh. Oh my gosh. I've seen these pictures too. I've seen like a majority of these photos. Thank you. Look at, he's like, look away, look away. Look at you. What are you talking about? Can you shut up? I'm kind of amused at what you're saying. Pepsi, when they did the Pepsi commercial. I love him in these outfits. They're so pretty. Pepsi, Pepsi. Ah! That wink and this. Oh, the bottom one is so cute. I love you. Sungyu. Sungyu, better get your camera time. Ooh, ooh, what is this face? Look at this. Smirk. Smirk. He looks so good, so good, so good, so good. Oh, he's laughing. Look at this, look at this. He's so dorky. Oh, Myungsoo. Oh, I really, wow. Look at him. And then look at that. He's like, yo. Oh. Some fan signs. Rock it with them stunner shades. Look at that. All of that. All of that. Beautiful. This one. This, smirk galore. Rude. Rude. Lip biting? You lip biting? Lip biting. Now, ooh, oh. He looks so good. I don't like him with blonde hair, but you know what? Even in his worst, he still looked the best. Like, oh, guitar! Myungsoo. Ooh! Like, Myungsoo. Oh my god. Ooh! Smoke. Smoke and mirrors. Ew. Oh. He looks so good. That was kind of like a stalker shot. Oh my god. He looks so good. Oh, look at him. Oh my gosh, Myungsoo, please. Oh, yeah, after he had the blonde hair, he got the choppy cut, which is also not the best look, boo. But my hair kind of looking on that choppy cut too, but disregard. But he looks way younger here. All the magic of a hairstyle. Infinite promotions. Hey. I love this hairstyle. Like, it's the upto spike. I like that. Oh, you look so good. So good. So beautiful. That was such an ugly face. I'm so sorry. Okay. We're nearing the end. Ooh, I love this one. You tilt the head a little bit to the side, like what it is. What's popping? What's popping? And then, oh, I love these photos. These ones, he looks so good, so handsome. Baby, he's so handsome. Sonyo in the back. I see you. Oh, they just look so cute. Everyone. Oh, and then it gets on to 2015 with a little bit of 2015. Ah! Oof. He is too gorgeous. Too gorgeous. Too gorgeous for me. Too gorgeous for me. Oh. Ah. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Whoa. Oh, it's ending. No. Damn, I'll box this real quick. Oh. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh my. I think this might be my favorite picture. This one right here. The confetti. I'm a sucker for confetti. Oh. Myungsoo deep in thoughts. Contemplating life. And then he has to be real cute. Has to be real fucking cute. Look at him. Oh my gosh, you're so adorable, baby. He got some kind of chunky thighs. Look at that. Look at them thighs. Oh my gosh, that just reminds me of the that drag queen song by William, where they're like, thick thighs make the dick rise. And that's it. That's it. That's it. Oh, so you have this thick, big, luscious photo book of beautiful Myungsoo. This was so worth it. I don't even care it didn't come with any extra goodies because this was all in itself a treat. And I will treasure this for the rest of my life. I can finally say I have an ultimate bias photo book. Now I have a photo book for each of my ultimates. I have my Myungsoo and my Baekhyun and my Chanyeol. What is better than this? Nothing. Not a damn thing. I'm so happy. The only thing I'm not happy about is my infinite EXO shelf kind of ran out of space and it looks a hot ass mess. And it's a tragedy. You want to see? You want a little peek? Okay, I'll give you a peek. Sorry. I'm trying to work this tripod out. Can y'all even see that shit? What is this? Tragic shelf. So yeah, we're gonna work on that a little bit later. I have to film the Disney tag, which I will do next. I'm waiting on two more packages. I think it's two. Yeah, two, and then I'm gonna do some kind of like big unboxing because it all correlates. And then I'm gonna do the I didn't do any of these before, but I seen some going around like my EXO collection blah 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 videos. So I'm gonna do my EXO collection video, and I'm gonna do my Infinite collection video, and we're gonna get it cracking. So that is it for this unboxing. I hope you guys liked it, and hopefully no one was around you when I was making those squeals and stuff, because low-key it sounded kind of perverted, but yeah, I have no excuse for that. It's just this beautiful husband of mine destroying my life, and he's okay with it too. He'd be like, I know I destroyed your life, and what? You love me anyway, just like I love you. I love you too, boo. Delusions. So I'll see you guys on the next video. which will be real soon because I'm gonna film the Disney tag. I did not forget. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Oh my God.